Hello and welcome to my channel. My name is Elizabeth and today we'll be doing an easy makeup tutorial. We are starting with the Too Faced Hangover Primer, which is good for my dry skin. Next we're using the Milani Perfect and Conceal Foundation in Porcelain. This is a thicker formula, like a mousse. I applied it with a makeup sponge, but it would probably be better to apply this foundation with a brush. It took me a while to blend this in. The shade looks a little dark for my skin at first, but I think once it gets blended in, it'll look a lot better. Sometimes it's hard to find shades for my fair skin. But like I said, once it gets blended in, it looks pretty good. Next we're using the Maybelline Fit Me Concealer in Fair. This is a really good creamy concealer. Blends in really well. I put it over my nose as well, because that's where my makeup breaks up the most. I have a red nose a lot of the times, and sometimes foundation doesn't do a good job of covering it. So we blend that in. Next we're using the Revolution Triple Baked Blush in Peachy Keen Heart. I love this color. Peach is really good for fair skin. It's very shiny. Next we're using the Revolution Triple Baked Highlight in Goddess of Faith. This is a very pretty shade. Next we're using the Naked Heat palette, going in with Low Blow in the crease. Blend, blend, blend. Next we're using Cayenne and Fuego in the crease to deepen it up. Putting ashes in the outer V. Give it a little dimension. Make sure you blend it in really well. Next we're putting Lumber on the lid. It's a really pretty sparkly shade. I love this palette. It has really good colors. Putting a little more lumber on the lid, give it a little more sparkle. Next we're using NYX Microbrow Pencil in Chocolate. I think this complements my skin really well. This color is really good. This NYX pencil is easy to apply. I'm not very good at brows, but this pencil makes it a lot easier. Next, we are using the Loreal Voluminous Lash Paradise. My lashes are really short. I think this gives it good length. This is one of my favorite mascaras. Next we're going in with the pretty Vulgar lip color called My Lips Are Sealed. Very pretty pink color. And ending with the Too Faced Hangover Setting Spray. And here's the final look. Thanks for watching. Please like, comment, and subscribe. And have a beautiful day.